let's make this together. A super simple little kitty. You can use it as decor or a cute hair clip. You can make two and layer them. It'll look more dimensional. I'll show you how to crochet it. I'm using crochet yarn and a 2.0mm hook. Let's start with the magic ring. Hold the crossed part gently with your thumb. Go into the loop with your hook. Yarn over and pull through. Chain 2 to begin. Now work 1 double crochet into the ring. Yarn over and go into the loop. Yarn over, pull through. Pull through 2. That's 1 double crochet. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Now let's make 2 treble crochets. Yarn over twice. Go into the ring. Yarn over and pull through. Pull through 2 at a time. That's 1 treble crochet. Go ahead and make 1 more. Now work 2 double crochets. For the ear, chain 3. Slip stitch into the first chain. Slip stitch to close it. That makes a little picot. See the tiny pointed ear, so cute. Now work 3 double crochets into the ring. Let's make the second ear. Chain 3. Slip stitch into the first chain. Work 2 double crochets. Now make 2 treble crochets. One double crochet. One half double crochet. Fasten off, no slip stitch. Pull the yarn tail all the way through. Now gently tighten the center ring. Go into the first double crochet. Make an invisible slip stitch. Take the yarn tail. Pull it through that first stitch. Now go back into the last stitch. Bring the yarn through the center. Give it a gentle pull. You'll see a little V. That's your invisible join. Tie a small knot in the back. Now let's tidy it up. Weave the tail into the stitches. Trim the extra yarn, and your little kitty is done.